Woof Studios. How to draw and food for sharing in birds. How we going to do that too? How to draw and food for sharing. I mean, with this is just only a draw. It will become about in the objects. And then be careful for this. F-O-O-D F-O-R S-H-A-R-I-N-G. It's a food for sharing. I made it. And with this, just on food for sharing object. Objection for food for sharing. And let's draw on Pringles. It will make this how it is made. It makes some food for sharings ahead. What should the water be? Easy. I just is want to make the water pieces funny moment while I'm making this. I'm drawing the food for sharing. I'm doing really great drawing for food for sharings funny moments. I the food for sharings respectful. And I made respectful. The end. Animations for Woof Studios with Danny and Dana. Don't you fall off in computer?
Changes about it.
It has names. I can try the story like it's going to be. Bye bye. Dun da dun da 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 dun da dun. In blessings are going into your eyes. Ding. MegaPhoto and food for sharing steering version. God. Ding ding ding. Flavio Studios. Dun 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 dun. Well then, Aline for my studio. Only studios what I'm making. La 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 la. Bye.